Hey, how's it going everyone? Today I'm doing an unboxing of the package that Naz sent me. Thank you so much, Naz. It's been a long time waiting. This thing took like a week to get to Romania and then 15 days pretty much stuck in customs. I only know of two things, actually three things. I know there's a custom from you, there's a gold bone shaker, and half of the Nissan 2-pack you kind of blurbed out. Anything else that's in here, your guess is as good as mine. So let's dig in. Naz. Wow. Okay, first just gonna go ahead and pull it out. Nissan Skyline R34. Yeah, the card's messed up. Who cares? This is amazing. Thank you, Naz. I wasn't expecting this one to be like just on top. Wow. Thank you. Packing paper. Ooh, piece of candy. Wow. It gets better. Trust me. There's the gold bone speed shaker. Actually, I've been wanting. This is my 5th gold edition card. I got 4. I got this one that makes 5, and I'm hunting 2 online, but still doing the no peg hunt challenge, so gonna wait on those. 65 Chevelle wagon from Muscle Machines. This is my first Muscle Machines. Wow, thank you, Naz. It's so generous. There's more stuff than I sent you, so woo. Oreo Cowtails. We don't get these over here. Another piece of candy. Got some more bubble wrap. Got some Jolly Ranchers, because why not? More candy. Now my dentist is gonna love me. More bubble wrap. Another piece of candy. Okay. Now let's go. Wow. Wow. Naz, I'm speechless. Thank you so much. It's taped. Naz, the man, the one and only. Powder coated customs I made, no longer make them or sell them. Hope you enjoy. And I got stickers. They're gonna go on my sticker book. I mean, like Datsun 510 wagon. Thank you so much. Did I say wagon? I meant sedan. This is the wagon. Wow. This is the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. Wow. This color is wow. Wow, Naz. Wow. I'm like I said, I'm speechless. I was expecting 1 custom from you, but not 4. Datsun 240Z, 240, 280, Fairlady Z. Man, these look like factory. Wow. Wow. Naz. Dragon's Blood? I really wanted to see this one. Like, it's amazing. Real riders on all of them. Wow. I'm speechless. I keep saying that, but I am speechless. So this one's aged copper. It's the it doesn't say. I think it's a milk truck or something. But the finish on this one's kind of like Bedliner or Raptor liner. Wow, I'm speechless. I sent you like a custom I made for you, one for Maggie, one from my collection, and 2 cars and a plane. And you sent all of this? And there's more in the box. I haven't even gotten to the other box that's in the box. Box in the box in the box. Wow. We got more business cards because you never have enough. Oh my god, this one's heavy. Yeah, that's it. Now there was something else. A piece of plastic. Donating these castings and wheels for your custom art and collection. Enjoy from Naz. Thank you. Thank you again, Naz. This is more than generous. Right off the bat, decals. Doesn't say what scale, but I'm guessing 1/44 scale or something. But these are good for doing customs. Always get them if you can. Wow. Okay. Another business card. I'm gonna start putting these all over town. This is the Nissan Proto Z or whatever the new Z that he said by accident that he's sending me. My English today. Swear to God. 67 Camaro with the opening hood. Wow. Wow. This one I think we talked 6 months ago about it. I couldn't find it anywhere. There was no new cases around and you said I got you, so here it is. Gonna do something with this one for sure. And there should be, I'm not gonna dig around for them right now. We have a pack of wheels, some Halloween skull wheels, bigger, smaller, white, gray, some 10 spoke, and the aero disc ones. These are really good for Cyberpunk customs. Naz. Drifter? Who knows? Maybe cut it up, use some pieces. I'm saving some stuff for last. 2000 Skyline GTX, I believe. Yeah, the Hokuska one. Nice, thank you. The Legends Firebird in red, I think. I'm not sure if this was a limited edition or a red edition or something. I don't know. Have the first one in white. Never knew what to do with it. Now I have 2 to think about. For your customs, rubber wheels. Wow. Thank you, Naz. Thank you so much. Wow. This means a lot. Getting premium castings over here. I can find them in a Goodwill or something like that. Similar stores over here. Online, they're pretty expensive. So, thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We have a shell of 928 Porsche that someone, well, the windows were chromed, so someone painted them silver matte. Who knows what will happen to this one? Maybe. Ah, yes, the other one. This was the other half of the project I thought about. Combining this off-road Bronco, I think it is. Yeah, Bronco R. and the Lowlux, making something with these two. Who knows? Another wheel donor. Oh, the Street Fighter Honda Odyssey van. Perfect. Don't have this one. I have the normal Odyssey one, but this one has the... It should be a ski box or whatever, but it's see-through. It's part of the glass. Definitely gonna do something with this one. Wow. I think this is a Ferrari 308. Mint condition. I mean, it's almost flawless. Wow. Thank you so much. What else? This is a Hot Wheels Ranger Raptor. I think you stripped this one. Yeah, because it's drill out. Never finished your project, huh, Daz? Next up. Oh, this one's kind of falling apart. Is this... Yeah, the Liberty Walk Huracan. I don't know, I'd never picked this one up. Don't know why. Because it's already wide bodied. All you can do with it is add a wing and something, or I don't know. But we'll see what happens with this one. Another wheel victim. It's a Dodge A100. Pinocchio. Ooh, these are heavy, like the metal base and the metal body, and it's pretty chunky. Getting ideas already for this one. Oh, it's gonna be a long holiday for me. We have the 99 SVT Lightning that someone stole the wheels off. Man, my English today, I swear to God. But it's a premium, and we'll see what happens to this one as well. I mean, you're giving me a lot of work for the holidays, and I got project ongoing and Nas. Next up, Scion FRS, Pandem Subaru BRZ, the premium one with no wheels. Wow, and in the Falcon livery. I think it's my... No, it's not my first. I have a couple. Getting ideas. Ooh, yeah, the Drag. I think it's Drag. No, it doesn't have a name on the base. It's the Cadillac Funny Car Dragster, something or other. Had an idea with one of... Actually, not the hearse, the normal sedan or coupe. It's the two-door. But this one will suffice. Wow. Johnny Lightning Aston Martin Lagonda or something, I believe the name is. Oh, this one's really nice. Wow. Thank you again, Nas. Thanks. Wow. I don't know what else to say, but thanks. Thank you, and you're awesome. Nissan Laurel in a purplish... I'm guessing it's a premium, but don't know exactly what mix or subset this one came in. Headlight tempos, taillight tempos. I have the Team Transport one from this casting. I never knew what to do with it, but now I got something to experiment on. Who knows? Wow. So Nissan S14. Wow, just gonna put some wheels on it and... Nah, who am I kidding? I'm gonna chop it up. saw a render for one of these and it's pretty wild. Let's see if I can make it in 1/64 scale. Stay tuned. The 2020 Supra GR in premium, no wheels. I'm guessing Nas likes the wheels or something, I don't know. Thank you again for all the castings. Not sure what I'm gonna do with this one either. Who knows? And of course you can't have a box from Nas without having at least one Mustang in it. And this one's the RTR from the premium, the Fun Haver. We'll see what happens to this one as well. I got screwed. I never actually use screws, to be honest. I mostly like put a dot of super glue on them and snap them shut because they don't really take off the rivet too much. It still kind of snaps when you kind of pinch it. Guess I'm gonna try using screws from now on. Ooh, the Impala from the Fast and the Furious whatever movie. I don't know. Chop the top. Who knows? Off-road. A gold on gold 63 Chevy. '68 Corvette, sorry. Me and my muscle cars. Gotta find out where this one came from. It's not from the FAO Schwartz whatever set. I have the Gas Monkey one, but I bought that one just because it said Gas Monkey on it, so we'll see what happens to this one. Just 2 more to go. One of these Art Deco, what's it called? Yeah, Deco Delivery. Aladdin. There may be something in here. It's kind of skinny, but we'll see what happens to it. I'll get ideas. And last but not least, 66 Chevy Nova. Man, this one's wider than the normal mainline Novas. And it's heavy too. It's a premium. Again, I think it's from the Fast and the Furious. That appeared for 10 seconds in a movie and then Pat was like, whoa, we're gonna make lots of money from selling those. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you again, Nas. You're awesome. Everyone who's watching this, go to subscribe to Nas and me if you're not. Who knows? Wow. What can I say? Thank you so much. I really hope you enjoyed the stuff I sent you. I've seen the video, so you did, but I wasn't expecting all of this. Thank you. You're an awesome guy. The community is awesome. And guess I'll see you in another upload in a year or who knows how long it's gonna take me. So guys, take care. Be safe. Happy holidays because Christmas coming up. Stay awesome.